Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn one of your buttons that you created on your home page into an actual button that takes them to a different page when they click on it. So first of all, obviously you need to figure out what you want to link your buttons to. So are you wanting to link it to a page? Are you wanting to link it to a different website or a module? Obviously figure that out first. You want to go to your home page, and you are going to click on edit, and then you're going to, I always drag and drag this down just because it makes it a little bigger, and then you're going to click the button that you want to link. So I'm going to link my class schedule button, so you're going to click on it. You're going to click on these three dots up here. For some people, all of this is filled with a bunch of things, but for me, I have to click on the three dots to see some more stuff. And you are going to click on right here where it has a link image, and you're going to click on the arrow. If you wanted to do, like, let's say I wanted to take them to a different website, that's when I would click on external link and put the link in there. If you wanted to take them to a different page or something on Canvas, you're going to click on course links, and you are going to choose whatever it is that you want. So if you choose pages, you're going to pick the page that you want it to go to. Assignments, you pick the assignment that you want it to go to. Quizzes, same thing. Announcements, same thing. Discussions is the same thing. Now the only thing with modules is, let's say I want that to go to my Monday module. Now when I click on my Monday module, when I click on the button to take me to the Monday module, it's going to take me to the actual modules page. So I don't do that because I don't want them to see the modules page. So I just instead link it to the first page on the module, and they can just scroll through. But that's just my preference. And then the last thing that you can add is something from course navigation. So if you choose, let's say, modules, when they click on that button, it's going to take them to the top of the modules page. So it'll have everything on it. So it's just however you want. That's just what you need to figure out. Once you figure out whether or not you want the button to open a new tab, then you can go ahead and link it. So if you want the button to open a new tab, you're going to click on your image, and you're going to hit, for Mac users, it's Command K. I think for everybody else, it's Control K. You're going to click that, and then it's going to show up right here, and you just put the link in there. And so you can see, like, I have a Canvas link on here, and it's going to work just as fine. If you don't want it to open in another tab, you're just going to click on the image, click on the three dots if you have the three dots. If not, just look for this link little icon here. Click on the arrow, and then I'm going to do course links. I'm going to find my page. And then I'm going to save. And now when I click on class schedule, it takes them to my class schedule page.